In this video, let me show you how to verify your identity on Wise. If you have not yet verified your identity, you won't be able to do simple tasks such as sending or adding money to your Wise account. So in order to verify your identity, what you can do is come to the home screen and tap on add money. Select any currency for now, it doesn't matter, and add in an amount. Once you add in your amount, it's going to show you different options such as the currency and the fees. Just tap on continue for now. Now this is the step where you can verify your identity. First of all, start by choosing your ID issuing country from this list. Once that step is done, the second step is to choose a government verified ID. You can select from these 4 IDs, which may be passport, driver's license, national ID, or refugee identity document. So choose the option that you like to upload and tap on next. In the next step, it's going to ask you to take a photo. Just tap on take a photo option and then take a picture of your passport or any other document or your ID that you may have. Once you submit this document, the team of Wise are going to verify your document, and it may take a few minutes or even a few hours for the verification to complete. Once the verification is completed, you'll get a notification on your phone that the verification now has been completed. This way, you'll be able to add in money or send money to other people using the Wise platform. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.